Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You have many types of batteries with different sizes and capacities, but do not have a simple and reliable charger to charge them all, then this video is for you. This is a simple charging circuit using common components. The charging circuit has the function of automatically charging when the voltage on the battery is low and stopping charging when the battery voltage is full. Everything is completely automatic, so you can rest assured to do other jobs without worrying. You can see the charge light is on. When the battery is full, the full light will light up. The circuit is charging a 12-volt battery with a capacity of 4.5 Ah. If you like this circuit, I will guide you in detail how to do it after the sponsor's advertisement. This video is sponsored by JLCPCB. JLCPCB is the full-service electronic manufacturer. JLCPCB's innovative one-stop service model makes production highly efficient by tightly integrating EDA software, PCB fabrication, parts purchase, stencil cutting, and SMT assembly. 1 to 8 layer PCB from $2, lead time as fast as 24 hours, strict quality control, and trusted by 5.4 million customers worldwide. $80 new customer coupons. Upload Gerber files to get PCB with high quality and low price. This is the result after 1 week. The box and circuit are from JLCPCB. The circuit is very beautiful with very good quality. I have shared all the files, including the Gerber file and the PDF file. You can download it in the description. This is the schematic diagram of the circuit. The main center is IC 555, a very popular IC. When the voltage at pin 2 of the IC is less than 1/3 of the power supply voltage, we will have the output at pin 3 at a high level. Conversely, when the voltage at pin 6 of the IC is higher than 2/3 of the power supply voltage, we will have the output at pin 3 at a low level. We use this function to charge and disconnect the battery. The charging and disconnecting voltage will be adjusted by 2 potentiometers. IC 7805 and capacitors will convert the power supply voltage to 5 volts to power the circuit. The diode bridge and relay will convert the power supply voltage from AC voltage to DC voltage to charge the battery. When the relay is closed, the battery will be charged. There are 2 status lights. 1 red light indicates the battery is charging. 1 green light indicates the battery is full. Now I will connect the components to the circuit. It will take about 10 minutes to do this. And here is the result, the circuit before soldering the components and after soldering the components. I used 2 jacks to connect to the circuit. Red is used for positive voltage, black is used for negative voltage. To adjust the circuit, we need to supply a voltage of 10.7 volts. This is the voltage when the battery is weak. After connecting, we will adjust so that the voltage at pin 2 of IC 555 is 1.67 volts. Next, we need to supply a voltage of 13.5 volts. This is the voltage when the battery is full. After connecting, we will adjust so that the voltage at pin 6 of IC 555 is 3.33 volts. As you can see, when the battery voltage is below 10.7 volts, the charging light will be on. When the battery voltage is above 13.5 volts, the charging light will be off and the full light will be on. I have shown you how to make an automatic battery charging circuit. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe my channel. I'll see you next time.